this room, every woman in this room, in fact, I'd like to say to our moms, through thick and thin, highs and lows, despite our constant arguing, our stubbornness, our attitude, our sass, you're always there to stand by us, stand by me. Despite it all, you love us. As the saying goes, the apple doesn't fall far from the tree. I used to think it was because we looked alike, or we sounded the same, or our mannerism was the same. But now that I'm older, I know it means so much more. The reason why I have kindness is because that's what you've showed me through my life. And I have strength because you stood tall through every storm. And I have empathy because you showed me how others deserve to be treated. And all that I am is because I grew up in your shadow. And thank you, Mom, for being my tree.
Growing up, I had many friends. I had uni friends, college friends, and church friends. But before all of them was my mom. Thank you for your patience, guidance, and bringing me into this world and being my greatest supporter. From the moment I was born, my first gift was your unconditional love. You love me as easy as breathing, and you love me as much as there is sand on a beach. All that I am and hope to be, I owe it to you, Mom. In the end, happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mothers who stepped into this role with love, strength, and grace.
Lastly, kami undang semua kaum perempuan yang sudah menikah untuk bangkit berdiri.
Baik